Hello, welcome to my video. I'm going to show my hack for getting a nice flat and really smooth glitter. This one isn't too chunky, but it is the one that I was doing when I remembered that I really needed to get on filming this hack. So I'm activating. I've already done all my clear, all my dips, and now I'm going to grab this Saran Wrap. And it is Saran Wrap, so it won't cling or stick. And I am pinching and smoothing the clear layers into the glitter layers underneath. This will really help combine all of the layers and make them into one. So you'll get a tighter, thinner, just really melded look, kind of like you would if this had been done with monomer. And it makes it very nice, very smooth, very unified looking. Now you want to be pretty quick with this because the activator hardens. So you want to get in there when it's still soft and malleable. And I really like to focus on pinching first so you really get that nice tapered look if that's, the shape you're going for. And then flattening down and then smoothing that glitter into itself and into the clear. It really tightens down those layers, especially if you did 2 layers of glitter, like I will do sometimes when I'm doing like a full cover glitter. That's what I did with the Pisces, which is originally where I really honed and refined this hack. I think I originally saw it with Carol, and I just really practiced it with my clear full cover glitters because I really like those. And I really like using chunky glitters, and so this hack has just been like a lifesaver for me. Like I never have chunky glitter anymore. I never file into my glitter anymore unless I just get like way careless. And I just love this. It just makes this really great look. And the fact that it can allow you to pinch, like you see some of the like nail people like Kirsty Mirkin, like she takes the little pinching tool, like you can do that here through the Saran Wrap, and it's great. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch the rest of the nails and kind of let you see my process and not chat too much. And then at the end, I'm going to insert a couple pictures of the final outcome. And I'm even going to throw in a image from my next manicure that I did with these really large chunky flakes, and I used the same method here, and I was able to get all of them to lay really flat, and I didn't file into any of them. And so really this method has just been amazing. You can work with really any type of flake or glitter using this. I love it. Thanks, Carol. I really hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, find me on my Instagram at BDazzld Nails. You can DM me. I'm always happy to help. Thank you for watching. Bye.